whenever you're doing pole dancing, you kind of have to grow a thick skin. Oh my god, I'm such a dork. Hey beauties, I haven't vlogged in so long, so I'm so glad that I'm finally vlogging again. I did a full body workout. No, I didn't do a full body workout, but I did one of those Adrian Pillagey workouts this morning. I didn't go too hard though because I'm still a little sick, so I'm trying to get over that. And then I did some abs because toning is like my most important thing. I really want to get toned. And hold on, let me put my sunglasses on. It's gonna be sunny for like 2 seconds and then it's gonna get like super dark again because it's gonna be shaded. But yeah, and now I'm on my way to my pole dancing class. I originally had them on Tuesdays, now they're on Saturdays for the level 2 classes, so I'm gonna work my way up. So I'm really excited. It's been about 2 weeks since I've done a class, so I'm gonna go do that. Now I'm just waiting at the bus stop. I'm a little bored, but I'm really excited about my channel relaunches that are going to go up in July 2017. If you guys don't follow me on Snapchat, you definitely should, because I give you guys sneak peeks on there. So if you're part of my Snapchat fam, you get all the sneak peeks. I tell you guys stuff ahead of time, so definitely go follow me there. But I talked about yesterday how I'm going to be relaunching my all of my channels and also relaunching a new channel in July of 2017, so stay tuned for that. I'll probably be giving some like little clues along the way on Snapchat, but yeah, so I'm just waiting for my bus and then I'm gonna go to my pole dancing class. But I don't know, I just haven't vlogged in so long, so I just want to vlog a lot. So I'm not the brightest. I did a full body circuit training using weights, so I worked out my abs, my thighs, and my arms, and then I'm like, now let's go to my pole dancing class. It's the first day of level 2. Really bad call, because today's was all about how things are gonna get harder. We're gonna work on our core. We're gonna work on our strength because we're gonna be doing more, we're gonna do moves that are more complex, that require more strength. So I'm just like, oh no. And then we ended. Now, I don't know, you guys can look this up. But we ended with a pole sit, where you have to climb up onto the pole and you're pulling yourself up with your arms. Then you sit, cross your legs, and you pretty much hold yourself up with your thighs. And so then she was like, okay, now take your right arm off of the pole and hold it out to the right. We did it for like 8 counts. And then we did it to the left for 8 counts. And then she said, take both arms off of the pole and hold them straight ahead in front of you. So no arms on the pole, just your thighs holding you up. So it was hard, especially because you feel like the skin where your thighs are, like it's being ripped apart, because whenever you're doing pole dancing, you kind of have to grow a thick skin. Oh my god, I'm such a dork. But you have to grow a thick skin because your skin's gonna get ripped up. You have to have like a higher pain tolerance. You have to be able to suck it up. And she also ended with us telling us that, you know, we have to suck it up because when we get to these more complex moves and we're hanging upside down on the pole, we can't be screeching and freaking out and complaining, because that can distract the other girls and then they can end up falling, hurting themselves, or, you know, not being able to concentrate. So, which I think is good, because part of my getting fit goals are to be able to handle stuff and not be complaining and not, you know, just stop and give up and be like, I just can't do it. You're like, this is tough, I'm gonna get through it. So I think that's like a good kind of thing to have in like day-to-day life anyway. And part of my inspiration is from Agents of S.H.I.E.L.D. And I know if I was not that I'm gonna be a S.H.I.E.L.D. agent, but if I was a S.H.I.E.L.D. agent, me having to hold myself up by my thighs is the last thing that I'm going to want to be bitching about. There's so many other things that would be so much harder. So I think that's like a good thing to learn. So I really think, guys, pole dancing is a really cool thing to do. It's fun, it's unique, it's exciting, but it really is a good workout, especially if you're someone who struggled with like arm strength. You're gonna build it with this. So but you're also gonna work on your abs and your thighs too. So it's just a good all over body workout, and I'm really excited about it. So yeah, but next week Saturday morning, I'll probably wake up and do an ab workout, but I'm not gonna do circuit training with weights, and because I did a ton of push-ups before I got to the class, and then we got there and then I started doing how to do push-ups there, and then I had to keep pulling myself up with my arms. So I was like, oh my god. And then at the end I had to hold myself up with my thighs, and I'm like, I'm so glad I did all those squats with those weights. So you know, so exciting things. So I'm gonna go shower and then I want to film a video, but I have so much stuff to do. I want to film a video though. I haven't filmed for Beauty Addict Next Door in forever. So yeah, I have so much to do. So I'm gonna go do that. But I wanted to share that with you guys just because I think it was kind of funny. Like, why would I do circuit training before pole dancing class? But I am really excited about how good of a workout it is. And I love the girls that are there. Everyone's like really cool and fun. And it's like a good way to get to know people too. So yeah, I'm gonna stop mumbling and I'm gonna go get a shower. I just finished filming 2 videos, 2 for Beauty Addict Next Door. I did my October favorites and then I did a 2K giveaway video. And now I'm gonna set up for Beauty Blogger 101. So I have to put the backdrop off and everything. So I'm kind of delaying that by doing this vlog, but I'm so excited to be vlogging again. It's been so freaking long. So long. So here's my view. It's a little bit messy, but believe it or not, it's so much less messy because I have those 2 bins now to help me organize. So I'm still working on it. I have to go sort through all that crap, but slowly but surely, this room is getting clean. And then that's my view, which I absolutely love. This place is amazing. So I have my tripod right there to film me. And then, so this is what my camera sees. So I sat right here for Beauty Addict Next Door, and usually I sit on the bed for the Beauty Addict Diaries. And then I'm going to put a backdrop behind here. It's going to hang my baby pink backdrop for Beauty Blogger 101. And also, if you guys are wondering, this bedding is from Target. I'm not sure if it's vegan friendly or not, but it is really comfortable. I'm going to have to look into that. But whenever I move into my new apartment, I'm going to be getting a new bed set. Also, I cracked my iPhone again today. Luckily, it was just on this bottom part before I completely shattered the screen. But I'm like, I just bought this new one for $100. So now I'm like, I am not going to go buy another one, especially because the new iPhone came out. But I kind of want to wait till a year from now to get a new phone. Just because, I mean, that's not too bad. At least it's not like on the area where I type. But story of my life. I just finished filming 2 Beauty Blogger 101 videos. I'm trying to get back on schedule with all of my channels. I'm in my busiest season ever as far as Halloween and, you know, my 9-to-5 job, but I'm getting back on track, people. I am. So yeah, that's my lovely pink backdrop in the background. If you guys haven't checked out Beauty Blogger 101 and you are a YouTuber, go check it out. I'm sure it will help you. At least one video will help you. Also, if you guys have any suggestions on what kind of videos you would like to see on this channel, please let me know down in the comments because I would love to do that. Tag videos, storytime videos, just let me know what you guys want to see. Now I'm just going to import some videos. I'm going to import the videos that I just filmed from Beauty Blogger 101. Where'd they go? I don't see them. That's not good. Alright, I got one of the videos to pop up. I don't know why. My camera is weird sometimes, but I'm going to import that now. And then work on that video and edit because I really need to. And then I also want to catch up on comments. And then I also have to do stuff for my 9-to-5 job. Oh my gosh, I have so much to do. Story of my life. I just can't. Look how cute he is. Alright, I'm going to say goodnight to you guys just because my lighting is, you know, the sun's going down, my lighting is going to be bad soon, and I have so much work to do to edit for videos for tonight, tomorrow, and then also work on my 9-to-5 job stuff. So thank you guys so much for watching. I will do some more vlogs in the future. If you really like vlogs, please make sure to give this a thumbs up and then let me know down in the comments if you wanted to see them more frequently because I love vlogging, so I would love to do more for you guys if you want to see that. Or if there's anything in particular that you would like for me to vlog, let me know that as well. But if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please make sure to hit the subscribe button below. Like this video if you've liked it, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye! I totally turned that into more of a professional video than just a regular vlog. I just was going with it just because I've been saying that all day today. Hi, bud! The little baby boy is jumping up on the little chair to sit with me. Hi, bud, you want to snuggle? Say hi! Okay, I'm gonna go. Bye. Love you guys.